Alam kong pagod si baby daddy sa first day namin. Pero alam mo yung lalaking gwapo, tapos walang kaarte-arte sa katawan. Hindi ko na siya kailangang utusang alagaan ako. Lord, thank you. Napa-thank you Lord na lang talaga ako. Don't worry, baby daddy, the girls all be shown to you, okay? The girls, all the be shown to you. You're excited to see the girls?
I'm excited to be with you, man.
Pattaya looks like here, California.
Wow, Pattaya is like LA in California. Just sitting there on the beach with my beautiful baby mama, walking and making memories together. I'm just happy that God led us to each other.
Oh my God, baby daddy!
This time we're gonna see elephants in the flesh. This is my first time to actually see one and feed them.
So we gonna survive though, right?
We are in a jungle right now. What can you say?
And the elephants are dangerous.
Are you scared now?
I'm about to go look at the elephants and they're dangerous. Are you scared? Are you scared?
I'm not scared of the elephant. Are you scared?
No.
Okay.
I can run faster than the elephant.
And not too much.
Can you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Can you what?
Run faster than the elephant?
Run faster? I can't.
Yes,
How
you
about-
can. Yes, you can.
I cannot, baby daddy.
Why?
They're faster.
No, they're not. Elephants are slow. All right. Where are we going?
Put our names.
Please wash your hands. Okay. All right. Yeah. Good.
Okay, now we can clean jam bean, okay? Put all jam bean in the water. Clean all.
Every single one?
No, you can put more. Okay. After that, clean, put back at there, and then we feed them.
He can do it.
Yeah, I do it. She don't gotta do it. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Diyos ko, kahit gaano kabait ang elepante, hindi ko kaya na medyo malapit sa kanila ng matagal. Takot pa rin ako, ang laki nun eh. Ang kaya ko lang, ang elephant ng baby daddy ko.
จะให้วิปพิเศษใช่ไหม
ไม่ก็อันนี้ดิมาป้อนดิ
Don't run, okay? Relax.
ยกออกมาเลยยกไว้นี่
Baby daddy.
จะไปใกล้มันเย
Here,
อะ
here, here. Don't close to him, okay? Don't close to him, okay? Don't close to him.
โอ้ย
Okay.
เข้านี่เข้า
โอ้ย
Off. พี่เธอนะ
เฮ้ย
Hey, see if the two...
They hungry. He's hungry right here. Got you, my boy.
แล้วมันกินเนาะมันสียาม
What are we about to do?
Floating market.
A floating market? What's that? I'll just try everything with my baby mama. My baby mama says she's hungry and thirsty every 30 minutes we walk. She's just funny. I now know why the cake is full.
Tinapos ko yung araw namin na makapagpa-hair massage kami ni baby daddy. Kasi sikat ang Thailand sa mga hilot-hilot. Natatawa lang ako sa reaction niya kasi alam kong sinasabayan lang niya yung trip ko kasi mahal niya ako.